My name is Dr. Ashley Webb, and I'm an associate professor at the Buck Institute for Research on Aging. I'm very excited about our upcoming Keystone meeting, which is entitled Aging, New Frontiers in Rejuvenation and Gerotherapeutics. I'm co-organizing this meeting with Drs. Morgan Levine and Dario Valenzano, and the meeting will take place in February 2025 in Breckenridge, Colorado. Our goal was to really bring together investigators who are studying both the basic mechanisms of aging, as well as scientists who are working towards more therapeutic development. Presenters who we invited are going to discuss the hallmarks of aging. And the central theme that we decided on was epigenetics. And we chose this as a focal point because epigenetic changes are a key feature of aging, and they could also potentially be targeted therapeutically. So we have a number of new areas that we are covering in our meeting that have not been covered in previous meetings. So we have a session on epigenetic reprogramming. We also have a session that I'm excited about on artificial intelligence and using artificial intelligence to model cellular states. And so these sessions we're then going to incorporate with other sessions on other hallmarks of aging, like metabolism and the microbiome and stem cells. And it was important to include these other pillars of aging, like metabolism and DNA damage, in order to discuss how the different aspects of aging are integrated and how they impact one another. I'm particularly excited to hear from the new investigators in the field. In my view, the aging field has really changed a lot in recent years. For example, with the expansion of single-cell transcriptomics, single-cell epigenomics, as well as the implementation of machine learning and AI tools. And these tools have really changed the way that we think about aging and the way that we measure aging. There are other areas as well that are moving very rapidly, such as reprogramming approaches to rejuvenate cells, targeting stem cells. So all of these areas are things that I'm really excited about hearing about at our upcoming Keystone meeting. So when developing the program, we were very motivated by the idea of bringing together basic scientists in the aging field, as well as investigators and entrepreneurs from industry who are really leading the push to develop therapeutics to combat aging. So the idea was to bring together these two communities in order to exchange ideas and foster collaborations that will accelerate the field both scientifically as well as clinically. One of the main benefits of the Keystone format is the size of the meeting. So the meetings are relatively small, and the meeting is basically set up for interaction. So everyone comes together for the main talks for the meeting, but then we all, we eat the meals together. The poster sessions are inclusive. So I think it's an opportunity for junior investigators, up and coming trainees to really get a sense of the field, and yet it's small enough that they can network with other leaders in the field. Anyone interested in the basic biology of aging or improving health span should attend this meeting. Whether you've been in the field for your entire career or if you're brand new to the area of aging, we really hope that you'll find this meeting valuable. I think that it's a great opportunity to meet established leaders in the field. We also have scientific editors attending the meeting. And it's also an opportunity to connect with pioneers on the industry side, as well as up-and-coming entrepreneurs in that area. In terms of the industry side, this is a really rapidly evolving ecosystem in the aging field and the longevity space. So I think it's a very exciting time to connect with individuals in that area. Please remember that we have short talk opportunities available at our meeting, and we're looking forward to recruiting a diverse, up-and-coming group of excited scientists to contribute to those talks. And so make sure you submit by November 14th if you're interested in presenting a short talk. And if you'd like to present a poster, the deadline for that is January 27th. Our symposium will be an inclusive opportunity to bring together both established investigators from academia as well as industry to promote healthy aging and drive the field forward to combat age-related disease. So we hope you join us.